In the previous video, we saw how to install plugins on a WordPress website. This is, by the way, an 8-part series. And from this, you can learn basic customization of any WordPress website. In this video, we will see how to create a form on the WordPress website. Forms are very useful for any kind of website. It can be used for direct contact with the clients, can be used for marketing surveys, or for customers' details for any product sale. That's what we are going to make in this video. And, finally, we will create the contact page of our website. Hi. I am Alex from Essential Web Apps. And we make videos on WordPress, website and social media strategy, web design, and development. To see our regularly uploaded videos, please hit the subscribe buttons and click the bell icon for notification. So, for this video, we are going to use a plugin called Contact Form 7. We have installed this in the last video, for this site. If you haven't installed it yet, please see the description for that. First, we will create a page called Order Product. And, we are going to place a very simple form here, to place an order. Now, go to the dashboard, and you will find this Contact tab. Click on it. Then click on the Add New button. You will land on this page. You may find a pre-built contact form here, just like this. If you are a non-coder, then don't worry. It's not some high-end coding. And you do not need to understand any of it. You know what, let's just delete this for now. Contact Form 7 has these editing form templates to make your work easier. Here, we are going to make this product form. So, for that, let's click on checkboxes. You will see this very self-explanatory pop-up window. If you need a field to be required, click here. Give it a meaningful name. Type the options here. You have to type every option in a different line, with an enter, like this. You can put an ID and class name for custom styling later on if you need to. If you need to know more about the field itself, you can always find the description about it on top of the pop-up window very conveniently. So, if everything is okay, all you have to do is click the Insert tag. And, finally, add a name on top of it. That's it. Just like that, using these tag templates, I'm gonna make the whole form. I am done here with the form. But, before we put it on our site, let's set up the mail. If we don't set up the email address here, this form will be useless. These are pretty much understandable. Now, these are the tags that we used in our form. Let's copy these, and paste them into the message section. I am going to make it a bit more clear by putting proper titles before these. Finally, you can set some custom messages for the form user. You will find every possible message for every possible scenario here. You can go through every single message to make it more personal. Then click Save. Now, your form is ready. All you have to do is copy this shortcode and paste it wherever you need your form to appear. So, let's go back to the order product page. Click on this plus symbol. Search for shortcodes. Now, paste the form shortcode here. Then, click Update. You might not see the form here, but if you go to the page preview, you will find the form on the site. So, just like that, we will create the contact form on our contact page. As we see, a standard contact form is already created. I will just quickly set up the email and reply message. Then, copy and paste it. And, there you go, our contact page also ready. You can also add this form to your footer section. Just copy the shortcode, go to Widgets. Then click here. Paste the shortcode here. And your form will appear in the footer section. Don't worry, we will discuss the widget in detail in our next video. This is not the only form plugin you can use. There is another popular plugin called WPForm. If you want to see a video on that, please let us know in the comments section. So there you go. Now you can create any form, and put it on your website for more direct engagement with your visitors. In the next video of this series, we will learn how to add sidebars and widgets to a website page. If you like this series, please like and share. And I will see you in the next video.